Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you, Johnny? Good morning.
I'm pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty good. Yeah, no, I had quite a busy week as usual, but yeah, no, it's all good.
Okay, stop
Charging on.
talking. I need to set the timer. Hold on.
Oh, good. Okay,
Here we
all right.
go. One
I don't want to talk
second.
for an hour.
And we're off. 5 minutes. Now you can
5 minutes.
tell me how you are.
Okay. Yeah, no, I'm okay. I'm pretty good. Yeah. So it's all pretty cool. I had an interesting visit yesterday. Went to see a company called the London Electric Car Company, and they have a Bentley T2 that they are making into. They're turning it into an electric car.
Oh, wow.
And so that was cool. And they're just around the corner in Vauxhall. He's invited me to have a ride in that when it's finished. And yeah, so I guess I'll film it and post it. And all quite exciting. So yeah,
Yeah.
and he's just around the corner, so it's all quite cool
Well,
and a
that's
really
going to
nice.
cause a lot of controversy, but obviously it's where the market's going to need to go,
It's
right?
well, I mean, well, my attitude is if you own a car and you want to paint it pink with purple polka dots, no one can stop you.
Oh my
So,
God, I can't believe you just said that.
and so, so if you want to make it electric, you're going to make it electric. And, I'm looking forward to just sort of having a go in it and see how it goes. So pretty
Nice.
cool. But
Yeah. Well, can you make sure you film it?
he's got quite an interesting business model because he's trying to do it, trying to make it affordable.
Hmm.
So it's different from some of these other ones where it's £250,000 to sort of get in the door. But anyway, there we go. So yeah, so what else have we been up to? Well, today these just landed. I don't know whether anyone recognizes what these are. Let's just get that back so you can see.
Well, you're going to need
There
to
we
tell
go.
me, obviously.
Well, okay, I will tell you what this is. So this is an air intake grill which goes on all the four-door SZ cars. So Silver Spirits, Mulsannes, Turbo R's, all of those. It goes right. It's the air intake
Okay.
for the air conditioning. So you've got there's filters under here, and there's two of them on the car. They're right under the wiper blades. And the problem with them is they're always broken. I mean, I don't think I know of a car that hasn't got them broken on them. So we've just introduced these. There's a right hand and a left hand. They turn over so that this is the passenger side. You can tell by this. So
Hmm.
that'll do that's the this way up. It does the right hand drive car. That way up does the left hand drive car.
And were
So
they difficult to make?
they were a pig. Yeah. They're really difficult, and it's mildly uh, complicated because the actual chrome bezel which you have to swap over that generally has no problem. But there are two types, so they clip in. So we've got a set of instructions, which is fairly detailed, which helps you figure out how best to fit them. So yeah, but every single car these are broken on. I mean, we've got a couple of cars, both of them needed both of them replaced. So it's just a nice product because they've been unavailable for
Yeah.
a decade or something.
And are
So
they
that's
available now?
they're right. They've just landed in stock actually today.
Okay,
So
perfect. There you go. I'll put a link in
uh,
for people, anyone that needs
yeah,
one.
yeah. So and I hope you put the instructions on the website because I did ask you to get that set up.
I will today. Absolutely.
I think you have. Oh, and the other thing we did was we made a little kit up as well, which includes the screws, the filters, and there's little covers for the wiper for the covers of the ends of the wiper arms. So we've included that in the kit. So when you pull it all off, you can actually just replace everything in one nice little kit. So you can either buy the individual grill, you can buy just that on its own, one of them if you want, or you can buy the whole shebang and off you go.
Well
So
done.
cool.
So what else is on your desk? Because we've only got
What else is on my desk?
another
Well,
minute.
these are, what is that? Can you do what that is?
Of course,
Anyone know what
I
that is?
don't know what it is. I mean, there's probably plenty of people watching that know what it is, but
Well,
not
on my
me.
desk, on my desk, it's a paperweight, but it's actually no. This is the bottom plate on an oil pump, engine oil pump on V8 cars from Silver Shadow literally all the way through to the late Turbo R's and Continental R's and so on. And what happens is the reason we did this is we do a lot of components for the oil pumps. So we did everything, but the one thing you should do when you overhaul an oil pump, which we do when we're overhauling an oil pump in-house to sell as a rebuilt one. Apart from replacing the gears, there's two main gears. They sit on top like that, and this plate wears, and they actually literally run on this plate. So this is perfectly flat. But what happens is when over time, those gears actually wear this plate, so it's not flat. So the gears. What's that? I've got to finish now. I've got to finish.
Sorry.
Oh.
Add a post note. You got 5 words.
Okay. No. Well, anyway, so basically that wears, gears oscillate, oil pump doesn't work. So you replace this, new gears, nice and flat, oil pump works.
Bye.